Hello! I hope you guys are doing well since the last video. This video is about this kit right here. This kit is the one I won from participating in Keith's group build, his GT group build. He put everybody's name in a bowl, had his daughter pick out the name, and I got to be the lucky winner. And I got first pick, so this is the one I picked. Got that nice glossy shine. Look at that swing. So, it's in I guess honor of him and appreciation of him sending it to it, because it's not cheap sending it from Ireland to the United States. Let me tell you, me and him have done a couple different times where we've did little kit swaps. Ones I wanted he sent me, and ones he wanted I sent him, which is great. It's a good way of getting kits that we can't get. Do a little kit swap. It's not cheap, so for him to do a raffle and send this to me is very, very gracious, and I'm very appreciative to him. I don't have this kit yet, which is very good. So that makes it even better. So look at that light shine. Sorry about that if it's making you sick. I've had a few people graciously tell me that I had no light in most of my videos, and then when I watch back, it's like, oh my gosh, you can't even see what the hell I'm trying to show you. So hopefully it's not too much light. Trying to get the better lighting, so get that set up. So in honor of him sending me, he started doing his channel by doing a bunch of unboxing. Let's open this box up, take a good look at it. So this is the Porsche 959. It is the street version. I don't know if they have a race version of this one or not, but it gets the nice detail. It does have the engine in this kit. There's another picture of the cover, and the three-side view. Boy, that light is on there. So on the cover here, it does says the 124th Sports Car Series, number 65. Highly accurate display model. Complete engine detail. Scale undersurface detailing. Authentic suspension. I can't read upside down. And interior. Steerable front wheels. So, in typical Tamiya fashion, look at that. Cool Boxster engine. The grill is already see-through. That is nice. The wing, got the Porsche on the valve cover, and the other. Yep, so that would be the other one. Since there's a Boxster, one will go there, one will go there. And this is the muffler. Rear deck lid. The wing goes on. And then the windows. It's got full windows, headlights. Cool, nice detailed tail light with the Porsche logo in it, or name. Very nicely detailed. This is a nice detailed kit so far. Set that aside. Wheels with the poly blocks. Give them just a light sanding, and that seam will be gone. Let's see if I can get this into like a focus. Very nice wheels. They are Dunlop, I think. Good gosh. Dunlops. The old D40s. Here is the body. Let's get that bad boy out of that bag. So I can tell already that it's nicely detailed. Since it's there, the only decals you really get is the Porsche badge, gauge cluster, a D for probably the area it's from, and the European license plates. I'm assuming those are German license plates. I'm assuming that's D for Denmark, and then the 959. It's not much for decals, but it's not the race car version. All the vents are already see-through louvers. The rear has see-through louvers. So very nicely done. Looks like if you just do a little sanding right here, right up there, down there, and a little bit in the windows. And there's a seam right there, and right there. So I mean, the body is not flawed. Gosh, I can't talk today. It's not flawed at all anywhere, but it does need a little attention with the sanding disc. Nothing wrong with that. I'd rather be able to sand it away than have to fill it. A little bit there. So with the detail of the body that's already there, I'll make sure I sand it smooth. Would be very, very ignorant to not do that detail. They don't have a year on it, but it does just have the Tamiya stamping. Here's the interior tub and dash. Dash has very nice detail on it. The seats look pretty good. Just a little sanding on that. That old steering wheel. I guess it's not that old, but I don't know if that box said what year it is. Assume it's the 90s. I guess that can be considered old nowadays. It's 30 years now. Very uncomfortable looking seats. I don't even know why they put back seats in there. I guess just in case you want to drag somebody around in the back seat of that. I know I won't be in the back of that. And then the great instruction manual. I don't know if you guys noticed, I don't do very many unboxings. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Man, it's to me a tech tips. Might be some good information in there. So it says this was first unveiled in 1983. That would have been the first 959. That wouldn't have been this one, I don't think. Nope. Take a quick look. Great instructions. It's got nice color codes. Look at there. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Put that back in there. So I just noticed those are the go with the door cards. That'd be nice for painting. Easy to do it. Nice two-tone on that. So I didn't pop this out. Let's pop this one out. Plastic. I think this is going to be relatively higher up into the list of ones I'm going to do. Boy, in that grill it has a 959. That's pretty cool. Nice detail on that. Porsche logo on every single wheel. I have to do some research first. Ooh, excuse me. I'll do some research before I do any kind of color choices. I'll take this glass. Put it in the smaller plastic. Tires. Now I really like Tamiya kits. They usually go together pretty darn easy. So when you buy it and you get it, and you look at how many parts is in that, and you go, what the hell did I pay for? You think there'd be, you know, boatload of parts in there, but there's not. So thank you, Keith. Really appreciate it. Tell your daughter thanks for pulling my name. I'll probably end up putting this up kind of closer to the higher stack of the list. I might do this in yellow, but that usually was my favorite color of the Porsches that they came in. But I want to make sure this one actually came in yellow. Before I just did it, make sure it actually looks right. And yellow with a gray interior, I think that'd look pretty darn sharp. So until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. And if you haven't already checked out Keith's channel, please check him out. He's a great friend, he's a great builder, and if you ever need something, he'll be there to help you. Have a good one. Bye.